Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can save your artwork to your phone gallery in Autodesk SketchBook app. Here I'm using the iPad, so if you are using mobile phone, you can also look for the similar options, or even if you are using the desktop application. Here is the option of gallery. If you click on this option, then it will show you the gallery of the sketchbook application. So if you think that you will save your image here, then it will not go to your phone's gallery. So be careful about that. Now, if you want to save your artwork, first you need to merge these layers. So you can click on this merge all option. Now click on the main menu, click on share option, select the flattened image PNG, and then you will see this and click on save image. So this artwork will be saved in your phone's gallery. If you liked my video, do subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips and tricks about Autodesk SketchBook app and also Procreate. Thank you for watching.